What we have here today is the Mosiso plastic hardshell case that is compatible with MacBook series. What I have in here is the 14-inch, and you can get this in 17 different colors. So let's open this up and check what is included. And here's the instruction manual, and I highly recommend that you give this a quick read for proper installation. This one is the cleaner before you install the screen protector. A set of rubber feet, an included pouch bag to store your MacBook charger. I'm not really sure if this keyboard cover is a silicone material, but it's definitely made of rubber. And this part right here is the bottom part of the hardshell case, and you can see some opening right here for heat to dissipate. And this one goes on top of the MacBook or behind the monitor. And lastly, the screen protector. There were no mention of the specific type of plastic that were used in the making of this hardshell case, but I can see that's pretty solid and it's a bit transparent too, and we should still be able to see the Apple logo once it's installed. There are already rubber feet installed at the bottom part of the case, so the included set is just a spare. And to install the bottom part, assuming that you already read the instruction manual, all you need to do is just put the MacBook right on top of the hardshell case, and make sure you hear those clicks, because those clicks will confirm that the hardshell case is locked in place. And now just to double check that everything is flat and nothing is sticking out. I think that's pretty good. And now to install the top part, which is a lot easier to install. Make sure you do a quick wipe before installing the hardshell cases. Doesn't matter if you want to start at the front or at the back, but in my case, I started at the back and then squeeze the front to hear those clicks, double checking everything is flat, and I think that's good to go. And just to quickly show you around the MacBook, just to show you that the hard case is locked in place. And now to install the screen protector. Now I'm just doing a quick dry fit, just formulating my strategy because I just want to do it once. So after using the screen protector accessory or the wipes, I'm now using a glass cloth just to clear the screen from any form of dust. And believe me, you may want to take your time on this. Another part of the screen protector accessory is that plastic sticker that will help remove any small strand that is left on the monitor. So make sure you use that if needed. Now to install the screen protector, you will notice that there are two tabs that are numbered. And assuming that you already read the installation manual, just follow the steps and carefully align the screen protector to the screen. In my case, I started at the bottom. Because of that dry fit that I did, I assumed that as long as the bottom part is aligned, the top part will follow. And once I put it down, I started using a small squeegee that I have. And if you don't have a small squeegee, you can use a plastic card and use that as a squeegee. And when you're all done, just pull the tab number 2. About the rubber keyboard cover, it's a perfect fit. Not only it protects from spills and dust, but it also looks great. And here's a closer look. And just to let you know, guys, they also have a version for MacBook Air for this same hardshell case. So guys, this is the Mosiso hardshell case with keyboard cover and screen protector. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.